Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get a free 7-day trial of Videoscribe. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and look for the Videoscribe official website. Then when you enter the website, click on free trial. It will direct you to another page. Scroll down to create or start creating. Then in that form you have to fill your information. So let's put our name. Then we have to add our email address. Okay, then we need to confirm that email. Just copy the email and paste it here. Forget to add .com. You just add that, and you need to add your password and make sure that your password is easy for you to remember. So you will need it when you log to the software. And after you fill the form, click on I agree to Sparkle's term and condition, and click on I'm not a robot. We need to remove all the cars. Now that will take some time. Okay, so we are done here. Just click create your account, and after that you need to choose your version. I am using Windows. If you are using Mac, you will click on here, and if you are like me using Windows, click on download for Windows. It will direct you to another page and it will start downloading. So I've got the software already, so I will stop it here, then go to show you how we will install the software. So here I've got the Videoscribe software on my desktop. Installing Videoscribe software is as installing any other software. You just need to double click on the icon. Then you will need to follow the instructions here. Just click next till you finish. I've already installed Videoscribe, so I'm not going to install it again. And that's all for this video. See you in the next lecture.